Hey guys, here we are with the new Skoda Karoq Sportline 2022 model facelift, and in this video I will make the test drive. We will drive the car and we will see how it's on the road. Also, I'm super happy that the car comes with DCC dynamic chassis control from Volkswagen Group, that it's incredible good, and you have a few different driving modes here that I will try to show you in the video. Also, I will have a separate video full review interior exterior with the same car, so if you're curious to see the space, the material quality, price, technical data and all kind of stuff, I will have a separate video. I don't want to make this video too long, so check that video out. Now, before we go forward, I want to give you some technical data so you know which car we are driving. First of all, if you are in Switzerland, check out AMAG Skoda in Solothurn. I will leave the link in the description if you want to buy the car, if you want to see the car, if you want to check them out, guys. Super nice guys, great service, and they have also great discount. By the way, tell them you see my video, you come from me, and you will get a nice discount. Now let me go forward. The model that I have with me, it comes with a 2-liter diesel engine, 150 horsepower, 4 cylinders in line, 340 newton meters. It's an all-wheel drive system, and it comes with a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. The combined consumption 5.2 liters, VLTP estimated, fuel tank capacity 55 liters, CO2 emission 137 grams, top speed 195 km/h, 0 to 109.3 seconds. The car comes with ventilated brake discs on the front, normal disc brakes on the rear. It comes optional with 19-inch rims. I will talk about that more in the review video. Amazing rims. The turning radius of the car 10.8 meters. Also, the car comes with independent McPherson suspension, coil spring with anti-roll bar on the front, and on the rear semi-independent coil spring with anti-roll bar. Those are the most technical important data that we can get before driving. I will give you more in the full review video, so check that video out. Let's drive the car, guys, and in the end we will make the conclusion. Here's the key, by the way, kind of the same classic key. It's not the same, it's a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter, but it's the same plastic mat that was in the previous versions. Also, we have a separate kind of a key controller here for the climatic system that you can turn it off and turn it on from outside of the car. Overall, I like the key. I like much more this key because it's much more lighter and smaller. But anyway, what you can do with the key, of course, you can open the trunk. It comes with an automatic lift gate, but more about that in another video. I will have a separate video with the same car, full review, interior, exterior. There you can see all the information about the car, guys. Also technical data. In this video it's all about driving. Of course, it's a keyless entry, so you can lock and unlock the car by putting your finger here. Electric folding mirrors. Also, you can unlock the car by having your hand right here, and it's working really well. 19-inch rims. Something that I like very much about this new Karoq is the fact that Skoda didn't add those aerodynamic rims only on electric cars, but they bring it also on the diesel and petrol cars, and those aerodynamic rims also help the consumption of the car. So this is really cool, really helpful. And also, you can take them out if you want. You can take those parts out, and then you can have it even more sportier and spectacular. But yeah, more about that in the review video, guys. We have a Karoq at the entrance. We have aluminum pedals here on this Sportline version. We have those beautiful leather seats in combination in the middle here with some fabric material. They are very wide, very big seats, really comfortable. Also, going inside the car, let me put the key right here. We have also this armrest that it's really adjustable, really cool armrest. I like it very much. We have this Sportline steering wheel from Skoda. This is one of the best steering wheel in my opinion. It's really nice. It has a great grip, great size. I like it very much. And also, we have physical button here where you can change different views in the front there. Also, I will show you as we go in the video. Let me put the seatbelt. Visibility around the windows as on the pre-facelift. Very good visibility, huge mirrors. Let me start the engine, press the brake. Start engine button, it's here on the side behind the steering wheel. Also, even if it's a diesel, it's really silent, and I like that very much about the car. Big mirrors on the side. Also, you have blind spot technology, all the tech inside here. Also, good mirror right here. You have perfect visibility in the back there because you have a big window in the back. Here is the gear shifter selector, I should say. If you go in reverse, you can see that the car comes with 360 degrees camera, and I was really impressed to see that the cameras are even better. I mean, the resolution seems to be better. It's very similar with what we have on the Volkswagen cars, but it's super nice. You have here the blind spot even in the front, and even in the rear they use this blind spot on the rear when you go in the back. So in terms of cameras, it's super awesome. I don't want to go into too much detail right now, but I just want to point this out. You have D in drive, and if you want to go in S, you go one more time down, and you can see right there drive, and S is from sport. If you want to go in sport mode really fast, you do it like that. And then this is another cool feature. Other than that, electronic handbrake, auto hold, different driving modes we have here. Eco mode, you can see first it's eco, comfort mode, normal mode, sport mode, individual mode, and snow mode. How cool is that? On the individual, you can change depend how you want. The car come with DCC. This is really awesome. I really recommend you to go with DCC because you have that dampen control. It's super adaptive, and it's really good. Just go for it if you would buy this car. Then you have the off-road button here, where the car will go in off-road mode, and it will select automatically for you these driving modes. Anyway, we will start in eco mode. We will see also what will be the consumption. Other than that, we will talk about that in another video, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. Another thing that I like about the car is the fact that the sound insulation inside the cabin, it's really good. So when you close the door, you cannot hear so many things from outside. Now I reset also this super nice digital cockpit. I love this digital cockpit from Skoda. It's so much customizable. You can change a lot of things right there. You can see also even the navigation. I will show you that in another video, but right now let's leave it like this and let's drive the car. We will see also what will be the consumption. Tall driving position, very good comfort here on the seats. I feel super comfortable. I feel like this size of this Karoq is the perfect size to combine the both worlds, driving in city, driving on highway, going on long trips. It's also very silent, and this diesel version, it's also economical, so for sure you can get some gorgeous consumption out of it. Also this 7-speed dual clutch transmission combined with this diesel engine are doing a great job. It's perfect in terms of visibility. It's just perfect. Also the steering wheel, it's quite light. In eco mode it's very light, very easy to drive. You don't feel like you have a big SUV. The gear shifter are changing smooth and nice. Lovely. The good part is when you're buying a Skoda is the fact that you buy also all the Volkswagen technology, all that work from Volkswagen Group, including Audi, and all the premium cars are coming. The technology come in those Skoda cars, and this is a big plus if you would buy the car, because you have the latest technologies. For example, the car come with travel assist, all the safety features that come with the latest Volkswagen cars come also on the Skoda cars. So I will try to test it for you, but the new travel assist is really good. So this is one of the big improvement that Skoda bring on this new Karoq, is the fact that it comes with this new travel assist, that you can also activate it from here behind the steering wheel. You have a wheel where you can activate it. You have also lane assist. You can activate the lane assist, and it comes with emergency brake and all that features on the car. Also the car can read the traffic speed limits. That's another plus for the car. I cannot test it right here on those roads, but it's really good, the travel assist. I tested on other Volkswagen cars or Volkswagen Group cars, and it was really good. So totally recommend you to get it, guys. Also you have the map, the same map as Volkswagen Group use it. It's a lovely car. I like very much the steering wheel, by the way. This is my favorite, one of my favorite part on the car. Such a good grip, such a high quality, and also I like the size, the grip down here. Also on the curves, it stays lovely on the curves. Also, you can change driving modes, very simple, from here, from this button down here, guys. Just change the driving mode. You go in comfort mode. In comfort mode, the acceleration, it's more responsive. Also, it seems that the steering wheel, it's a little bit more comfortable, and also the suspension will adapt and will change to be more comfortable. And then you have, of course, sport mode, when you can already hear the engine, how it's rev on. Wow, but the sound insulation in the cabin, it's incredible. It's incredible that I don't hear so much noise inside. And even this diesel engine, taking into consideration that it's a diesel, it's quite silent. They did really well with the sound insulation inside. We have 8.8 liter consumption until now. It's a brand new car, so what can you expect? But the driving feeling is just lovely. It feels premium. The suspension are super good, and I was know about that from the beginning. When I see that the car come with DCC, dynamic chassis control, I knew that the car will have perfect suspension. And I have a lot of question for you guys, from you, when you buy a car from Volkswagen, and I tell you and I recommend you to get the DCC. It's a must-have. The car will react much better over the bumps and in different driving modes. The brakes are great. I like the pedals as well. The pedals are very smooth and nice. I like them. When you press them, it feels quite responsive. It's not so sporty. It's a Sportline version. It's the top end version, but don't expect to have a crazy acceleration, guys. So when you accelerate, oh yeah, it's not bad, but not something incredible. I mean, it's fine. It's perfect. He make his job just perfect for daily drive. And if you want to go in drive, you go back once, and we are in drive, in normal drive right now. And it's great that you have different driving modes that you can select. A lot of head space, a lot of space in the left and the right. I feel like the cabin is super big, and I feel quite safe inside the cabin here. 9.2 liter consumption. Also, you can change the different views right there in the middle. So if you want to have different views there, you can also change it. I will show you a little bit later. But it's doing fine. Even these city drivings feel great. Here we have some bumps. Yeah, lovely over the bumps. It's doing just perfect. Quite nice, quite smooth. It's good. It's really good. It's really good. Let's see here the turning radius. Great brakes. You can also have some fun with it. It's quite agile. Doesn't feel super heavy. Wow, the turning radius, from what I remember, it's 9.7 meters, something that it's incredible. I mean, you can turn this big SUV in such a small space. That's perfect. Those kind of cars, guys, from Volkswagen Group are super reliable. It's that kind of car that you will buy when you want to be sure you don't go wrong, you know. I had a few cars from Volkswagen Group and they were really reliable. I never had a problem with them, to be honest. You can still hear the car torquing a little bit. So it's normal, somehow normal for a diesel, but it's quite nice. Also, you have this cockpit here. I don't know if you can see it right now. I put it. This is special cockpit for Sportline versions, kind of a sporty RPM and speedometer in the middle, in the digital screen. Quite nice, quite nice. You can see this, the consumption on the left side, the range on the right side, and the speed in the middle. If I want to go in drive, in sport, I go down, and right now we have the speed as well. The brakes are super good, super smooth, lovely brakes. Start stop engine button, auto hold, the car will hold for me. Good visibility in the mirrors, great suspensions. The gearbox is also very good. I noticed that it's changing the gears quite smooth. Perfect. No complaining, guys. I'm sure on the highway it's lovely with the travel assist. I didn't have time to test it today. Maybe I will get it on the highway as well, but I know the travel assist from Volkswagen, it's great. That was the video, guys. Let me show you how easy it is to park the car. You can see right here we have the 360 degrees camera, and you can see the lines there, and then just boom, put it in park. Electronic handbrake. It's just like that. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some useful information from it. If you like it, please share, like, subscribe. I would really appreciate that. My rating for this Skoda Karoq 2022 facelift from 1 to 10 will be 9.8. I think it's a great car. I think it's a practical car with a lot of safety feature, comfort features, a lot of performance for what the car it is. And I think it's a great buy. I think you will never go wrong if you will buy a Volkswagen Group car. And this Skoda Karoq is one of the best SUV on the market, in my opinion, in this class. So that was the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate that. Stay safe, and don't forget to check out, if you are in Switzerland, AMAG in Solothurn, Skoda AMAG in Solothurn. I will leave the link in the description so you can check them out. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.